Hey guys, we're in the city of Chino today. We're gonna be running a sprinkler line from the front to the back of the house. And across the concrete here. All the way to the back. There's no source of water in the backyard where the client wants sod. So that's where we're gonna start running the line. Now let's go back here. Okay. So we're gonna be running the sprinkler line back here. And all this is going to be removed, rototilled, and leveled. We're going to add new soil. We're going to remove the stump that is here. There's a lot of soil that needs to be added. Cleaned up here. As you can see, all this needs to be leveled, and the water line's gonna run through here from the front all the way to the back. So there'll be new sprinklers here, and grass, so it can look all pretty. So stay tuned for the other video of after this project is done. Thank you guys for watching.